Hello, and welcome to RainPoint's High Precision Rain Gauge tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to connect your device to your app. Let's begin. Select the plus symbol to add your device. You can also go to the Hub's homepage and select Sub-Devices to add your device. Next, find the rain sensor icon to add the gauge. Open the battery cover and load the batteries into the device. Select Next and start searching devices. Before using your item, be sure to tear off the sticker off the balancing instrument. And there you have it! You have successfully added the device to your app. Thank you for choosing RainPoint to meet all your home's needs. We are so happy to help you with all your questions and concerns. Good luck!